So today is a super cute, simple braided hairstyle. You're going to start off by parting the hair, almost creating like a sort of curve, so almost like a semicircle. And then you're going to tie that hair at the bottom out the way, and it's the top piece of hair that we're going to be braiding today. So you want to take a slice of hair and break it into 3 equal sections. 1, 2, 3. And then you're going to pass these over like a French braid. So pass over the middle, pass over the middle, pass over the middle again, and then you're going to add a slice of hair from the top into that braid. So passing over the middle but not adding hair at the bottom, passing over the middle, adding hair from the top. So this is called a French lace braid. Super simple if you can French braid, but looks really, really cute and different. So you're just going to keep on adding in that hair, creating that sort of arc shape with the braid. So bringing it all the way over. And then once you get to the ear, you're going to release the rest of that hair. And then you are going to start adding it in from both sides at this point. So it's a regular French braid from the ear onwards. So just literally passing over the middle, adding a section in, and then you're going to do that all the way until you get to the nape of the neck. You've just created that really pretty arc shape with the braid. And then with the rest of the hair, you're just going to do a really nice, neat braid all the way to the bottom. I'm not teasing this braid out today. And then you're going to take hold of that braid, and I'm just going to put it to the right of that braid today. I think that looked really pretty and different. I've sort of like tucked in the top, getting a grip now, and you're going to push up with the grip and then push down, and that's really going to lock in that hairstyle. But look how cute this looks on little Sophia. Super, super cute hairstyle.